Hello guys, welcome back to PC Resolve channel. We are launching a new series called Subscriber Resolve. In this series we will upload videos to resolve PC problems of the subscriber. Hope you like it. Episode 1. Our subscriber has asked how to shrink the volume of C drive. Let's get into the video. Right-click on the start icon and select Disk Management option. Now click the drive which you want to shrink. Right-click on the selected drive. Click Shrink Volume. Enter the size of disk in megabyte that you want for the new volume. For example, if you want 20 GB for your new volume, multiply 1024 and 20 you will get 20,480. Enter 20,480 and enter the amount of space to shrink an MB box. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you like this series. Subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss the upcoming videos. Comment down below if you have any questions about PC.